If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright daylight opening moldings, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6465A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.